So today we're going to create a really quick and easy project with these little glass jars using PlastiKote chalkboard paint. I'm going to mask a small area off at the front so we can write the name of the spice or the herb, and it's a really lovely way of not using the sort of the boring spice jars and creating something that looks really pretty in your kitchen. Okay, to start all you need is some newspaper and some masking tape, and make sure that the jars are clean and dry. Okay, so we've masked off the area that we don't want to spray, and we're just going to spray a couple of fine coats because that gives a better effect. I've read the back of the can and it's recommended to shake the can for a full minute before use, so I'm just going to start spraying now. Okay, I've left them to dry for the recommended amount of time, and here's the fun part, taking off the masking tape. So just quite carefully. Here's the finished piece. It looks really lovely, really pleased with it. It looked great in the kitchen cupboards. You can obviously use your chalk to write the name of your herb or your spices on the front.